All right, 2004 Subaru Forester, 2.5X, bottom of the barrel, base model. I'm gonna replace the PCV, positive crank valve. All right, and this one, you unhook here, right? It's right out of the engine right there, and then okay, and down there is the one you're gonna replace, right? So we got a 19mm deep socket we're gonna use to undo this PCV. I might need a longer extension. Oh, there we go. God damn it. So this is the old one. Oh yeah, this is probably factory. Look at all that crud. You can probably clean it, but these things are so cheap. Just get a new one. I got mine off of Amazon. I think that's some kind of anti-seize. But anyway. It's new and old. I made one of these deals. Magnetic tip. Just put it on the tip there. Gently put it in the hole, and just, you can start it that way so the thread will catch the so the threads will catch, and then just go in with your 19mm and finish the job. I gotta look up the torque spec on this, but it wasn't very tough. I didn't even need a breaker bar or anything. I put some anti-seize compound that I put on my AR-15s when I install my hand guards, the barrel nuts. hopefully that'll work. Is the hose. Just jam it in there. That looks like it hit bottomed out. And then top. There you go. There you have it. PCV install on the bottom of the barrel, 2004 Subaru Forester 2.5X.